Installation of a Roxtec RS BG seal. To install a Roxtec RS BG, you need the Roxtec sleeve, Roxtec BG seal, and Roxtec lubricant, as well as an Allen key, a cable stripper tool, a continuity tester, and the installation instruction. It is important to follow the installation instructions. With a Roxtec RS BG seal, you can seal, bond and ground single armored or metal clad cables or metal pipes in different structures. You can install it in openings with a bolted or welded sleeve. Prepare the opening. Make or verify an aperture. Clean the aperture. There shall be electrical contact between the inner surface of the sleeve, where the braid is situated, and the braid of the seal. The sleeve must have electrical contact with the potential equalization bar. Prepare the cable. On the cable, mark where the cable jacket is to be removed. Remove the outer jacket and any plastic foil. The cable armor shall be clean and conductive. Adapt the seal. Achieve a gap of 0.1 to 1.0 millimeters between the two halves by peeling off layers. Fold back the braids and remove the cores. Adapt the layers that are in contact with the cable jacket. The cable armor shall be in contact with the braid. Adapt the layers that are in contact with the cable armor. The number of layers must not differ by more than one between the seal halves. Fold the braid tightly inside the seal. Achieve a gap of 0.1 to 1.0 millimeters between the two halves. Lubricate the sealing surfaces. Avoid excess lubricant on the braid. Insert the seal. Lubricate the inside surfaces of the sleeve. Lubricate the area that will be in contact with the braid sparsely. The cable shall go straight and centered through the sleeve. Place the cable in the sealing half. Assemble the seal around the cable. Insert the seal into the sleeve. Be careful with the braid. Tighten the seal. Tighten the screws crosswise in small steps to the specified torque found in the installation instruction. The seal is compressed when the rubber bulges between the fittings. Excess lubricant is a sign of good compression. Verify earth continuity from the cable armor to earth. Use a suitable instrument. Make a final check. Different approvals or certificates may include amendments or limitations related to the application. Always read the installation instructions supplied with the product.